Welcome to APREIS online classes. Today we are going to discuss about addition, subtraction and multiplication on number line. Let us recollect the previous knowledge about number line. We have already discussed in the previous class. Tell me children, what is number line? Number line can be defined as a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals. Number line can be defined as a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals. Draw a straight line. Mark 0 at the center of straight line and place positive values to the right of 0 and negative values to the left of 0. This arrangement is the representation of integers on number line. 0 is less than all positive integers and 0 is greater than all negative integers. The value of number is increases, we move left to right, and the value of number is decreases, we move right to left. This arrow mark indicate infinite number of positive integers. This arrow mark indicate infinite number of negative integers. The number on left is smaller than the number on right. For example, 2, 3. See on number line. 2 is left of 3. So 2 is less than 3. Consider another example. -3, -4. Here -3 is right of -4. So -3 is greater than -4. Remember children, here the distance between any two numbers is same. The distance between any two numbers is same. That is, the distance between 0 and +1 is equal to the distance between 1 and 2 equal to the distance between -2 and -3. So the numbers are placed at equal intervals. Okay. Addition of integers on number line. While adding integers on number line, we move right for positive integers. We move left for negative integers. Keep these 2 points in mind. We can easily solve the problems addition and subtraction on number line. For example, +3 plus +1. Find the sum of +3 and +1. Here +3 is positive integer. For positive integer, we move right or left. For positive integer, we move right. We reach +3, we move 3 steps from right side of 0. We move 3 steps from right side of 0. 1, 2, 3. Here +1 is positive integer. For positive integer, again we move right side of 3. How many steps we move? 1 step. So we move again 1 step from 3. We get 4. So +3 plus +1 equal to +4. Okay children? Consider another example. +3 plus -2. Here positive integer. For positive integer, we move right side. From 0, we move right side by 3 steps. How many steps we move? 3 steps. Where? From 0. So 1, 2, 3. So we move 3 steps right of 0 to reach plus 3. Then here negative integer. For negative integer we move left. We move left. So how many steps we move left? 2 steps. From where? 3. So 1, 2. We reach plus 1. So what is the result? Plus 1. Okay children? Consider one more example. -4 plus 2. Here negative integer. For negative integer we move right or left? Yes, left side from 0. Okay, how many steps we move? 4 steps. How many steps we move? 4 steps. From 0 we move 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reach -4. Here positive integer. For positive integer we move right side. Right side of -4. How many steps we remove? 2 steps. So 1, 2. We reach -2. We reach -2. So what is the result? -2. Okay students? So for positive integer we move right. For negative integer we move left. These 2 points are very important. By using these 2 points we can easily doing addition and subtraction. Okay. Subtraction of integers. For subtraction also we have to consider these 2 points. Move right for positive integer, move left for negative integer. Example. Subtract +1 from +3. How we can do subtraction of 2 integers? Yes, convert the subtraction problem into addition problem. For this, keep first integer as it is, that is +3. Convert the operation subtraction to addition. Get opposite sign of second number. What is second number? 1. What is the sign before second number? Plus. What is the opposite sign of plus? Minus. So -1. Then we apply addition rules. So here +3. We move right or left? For positive integer we move right. Where? From 0. From 0 we move 3 steps or 3 units to the right of 0. Then we move 1 step left or right? Yes, left. Why? Because here negative integer. For negative integer we move left. How many steps we move? 1. So we move 1 step or 1 unit. So we reach +2. So we get +2. Okay children? Another example. First we have to convert the subtraction problem into addition problem. For this, keep first number as it is. What is first integer? +2. convert the operation subtraction to addition. Get the opposite sign of the second integer. What is second integer? 2. What is sign before it? Minus. What is the sign opposite of minus? Plus. So plus 2. Then apply addition rules. Here positive integer. From 0, we move 2 steps to the right of 0. We reach plus 2. Here positive integer. So again we move right. How many steps we move? 2 steps. From plus 2, we move 2 steps right. We reach plus 4. So what is the answer we get? Plus 4. Let us consider one more example. Here, first we have to convert the subtraction problem into addition problem. For this, keep first integer as it is. What is the first integer? Minus 4. Then convert the operation, that is subtraction to addition. Next, get the opposite sign of second integer. So what is the sign of second integer? Minus. So what is the opposite sign of negative? Positive. So plus 3. Then apply addition rules. Here negative integer. For negative integer we move left. From 0 we move 4 steps left of 0. Then here positive integer. For positive integer we move right. How many steps we move right? 3 steps. So from minus 4 we move 3 steps to the right of minus 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we reach minus 1. So what is the result? Minus 1. Understood? In multiplication of two integers, first integer indicates number of gems. First integer indicates number of gems. And second integer indicates number of steps or units in each gem. Here steps are units. Unit means the gap between the two integers. Here 0 plus 1. This is one step, second step, third step. So step or unit means the gap between the two integers. If the first integer is positive, we face right. If first integer is negative, we face left. Second integer is positive, we jump forward. Second integer is negative, we jump backward. Okay. Consider an example. Plus 2 into plus 2. Multiplication of two positive integers. Here first integer is positive. For positive integer, we face towards right, like this. Second integer also positive. We move forward or backward? Forward. That is, in this direction we jump. How many gems we take? 2 gems. How many units we jump? 2 units. Starting from 0, in first jump I take 2 steps. In second jump again take 2 steps and reach 4. So what is the result? 4. Dear children, consider another example. Plus 3 into minus 2. First integer indicates number of gems. Here, how many jumps we jump? 3 jumps. Second integer indicates number of units. How many units we take in each jump? 2 units. And first integer is positive integer. For positive integer, we face right. And the second integer is negative integer. For negative integer, we jump forward or backward? Backward. That is, in this direction we jump. We take how many jumps? 3 jumps of 2 steps. First jump, second jump, again I take last jump. Finally, we reach -6. So what is the result? -6. Consider one more example. -2 into -3. Here first integer is negative and second integer is also negative. Product of two negative integers. First integer indicate number of jumps. How many jumps? 2 jumps. Second integer indicate number of units or step in each jump. How many units we take in each jump? 3 steps. First integer is negative integer. For negative integer, we face left side. We face left side. Second integer is also negative integer. For negative integer, we move backward direction. We move backward direction. That is, in this direction we jump. First jump, I need to take second jump. First integer నెంబర్ లైన్ పైన మనం ఎన్ని జంప్స్ తీసుకోవాలో చెప్తుంది. అదే సెకండ్ ఇంటీజర్ ఒక్కొక్క జంప్లో ఎన్ని స్టెప్స్ మూవ్ అవ్వాలో చెప్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ ఎన్ని జంప్స్ తీసుకోవాలో చెప్తుంది. సెకండ్ ఇంటీజర్ ఒక్కొక్క జంప్లో ఎన్ని స్టెప్స్ తీసుకోవాలో చెప్తుంది. ఇక్కడ స్టెప్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ద గ్యాప్ బిట్వీన్ ద టూ ఇంటీజర్స్. ఫస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ ఈజ్ పాజిటివ్, we face రైట్ సైడ్. ఫస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ పాజిటివ్ అయితే మనం రైట్ సైడ్ ఫేస్ చేయాలి. అలానే సెకండ్ ఇంటీజర్ పాజిటివ్ అయితే రైట్ సైడ్ ఫేస్ చేసి ఫార్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్లో జంప్ చేయాలి. అలానే ఫస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ పాజిటివ్ అయ్యి సెకండ్ ఇంటీజర్ నెగటివ్ అయితే బ్యాక్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్లో జంప్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఫస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ ఈజ్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్కి ఏ డైరెక్షన్ ఫేస్ చేస్తాం? రైట్ సైడ్. సెకండ్ ఇంటీజర్ పాజిటివ్ అయితే రైట్ సైడ్ ఫేస్ చేసాం కాబట్టి మనం ఫార్వర్డ్ అంటే ఎలా మూవ్ అవ్వాలి, ఎలా జంప్ చేయాలి? ఈ డైరెక్షన్లో జంప్ చేయాలి. అదే సెకండ్ ఇంటీజర్ నెగటివ్ అయితే బ్యాక్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటి? వెనక్కి వెళ్ళడం. అంటే ఏ సైడ్ మూవ్ అవుతాం, మనం ఏ సైడ్ జంప్ చేయాలి? ఇలా జంప్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే. అలానే ఫస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ నెగటివ్ అయితే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఫేస్ చేయాలి ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్. ఫస్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ నెగటివ్ అయ్యి సెకండ్ ఇంటీజర్ పాజిటివ్ అయితే ఫర్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ వి జంప్ ఫార్వర్డ్. అంటే ఎట్లా? ఈ డైరెక్షన్లో. సెకండ్ ఇంటీజర్ నెగటివ్ అయితే we jump backward. In this direction we jump. Okay. Before we sum up, let us recapitulate what we have discussed till now. We have discussed about definition of integers, addition, subtraction and multiplication and number line. Tell me children once again, what is the definition of integers? S. The collection of natural numbers, 0 and negative numbers are called integers. Okay children? Note down the problems for assignment. Solve the following using number line and without using number line. So we can solve these problems in two methods, using number line and without using number line. Okay children? Thank you children. Don't forget to send the assignment. Okay?